Hi there, this is Rehman from Xylator AI. In this video, I want to show you how you can create a custom RAG agent in your GoHighLevel workflow builder. So first of all, to create this RAG based agent, you have to go to the marketplace, whether you are on the agency level or on the sub account level. First of all, you have to install this app. Just search ChatGPT and you will find this app. Just click on it, and after that just install the app, and after installation just authenticate your app from here. Okay, after your authentication, then just go to the workflow builder, and first of all, let me show you. Just search here ChatGPT and you will find it here. So first of all, I would like to recommend you use this endpoint like upload file to the OpenAI. Like you can just find it from here. So with the help of this endpoint, what you can do is you can upload your knowledge base at here. You can upload any type of file you have, like if you have the knowledge base in PDF, if you have the knowledge base in .txt, if you have a knowledge base in Word document, you can upload any type of file. And once you will upload your file, like as you can see that I have already uploaded my knowledge base at here. Then I have used another endpoint of this app, that is create vector store basically. So what basically we have to create a vector store. So basically the vector store is where this knowledge base will be stored on the OpenAI. So I have just give it a name, Xylator AI intro. Then what we have to do is, after creating the vector store, we have to add file to that vector store. So here you can see that I have done this already. Like I have just passed a custom value from the previous action and pass the value dynamically similar to the file. I have do this like just pass the previous file. So this vector store is already created. So let me give it another name. Let's say Xylator intro 2. Save the action. You can upload your knowledge base first. Okay, then for now you can just run it like manually. So the workflow is started. So here you can see that our file is uploaded, the vector store is created, and and the file is also added to the vector store. Now our agent is ready. What we need to do is, uh, I have created, in this app we have another action, that is search knowledge base. Now you have inserted your documents into the knowledge base and you need an action. With the help of that, you will query from the knowledge base. So with the help of this action, you can just query anything from your knowledge base. So first of all, what you have to do is just select the vector store you have created earlier. Let's say I have created this vector store, and here we will pass a prompt dynamically. For now, I am just using it statically to show you the working of this. Let's say I will say briefly explain about Xylator. So let's say this is a user query and user want to know about my brand or my company. So the agent will go to my knowledge base and just retrieve the info from there. So just save the action. Okay. I am deleting this one. Now I am okay. I say AI response. Now just save the action and save it. Now we will test it manually. should our agent is working or not. So just run the test and click on the execution logs. So here you can see that it is just executed and the workflow is finished. Now let's go back to the contact and refresh this. Basically, I have added the nodes in the workflow so we can see the agent response at there. So here you can see that this is what agent is explained. Xylator AI is a software and AI development company that creates AI powered tools, workflow automation. Basically, it just query the data from my knowledge base, and on the back end, I have just set up the AI agent that will set up the basically that will just summarize the full response based on the prompt we have provided. So here you can see that this is a full information of like the agent have. This is a full information, but based on the user query, the agent just go to our knowledge base and just simply return the data. So let me show you the exact working of this thing. Okay, so here I have the auto reply board. This board uses a GHL. Let me show you. The GHL default basically a response. So basically, at here you can see that there is a very long prompt, and uh, this agent does not know about anything your business unless you provide it a prompt, a very long prompt. But it does not know anything about your business. So what my app replaces is you can just create your own custom RAG agent inside the workflow builder, and then you can just use this endpoint like set null base, and you can just pass a user query right at here, and you can just set up a prompt too. But this agent can produce more like similar words, similar use a similar tone for your brand, and it have the more info. It can uh, answer like more and more according to your brand tone, according to your brand voice, and whatever you want it to answer. You don't have to paste a very long prompt. The agent will have you just have to upload your knowledge base, and the agent will have full information of your brand, and you can just set up a small prompt at here and pass the dynamic custom values at here. With the help of that, you can just set up the full AI RAG based agent inside your workflow builder, and you don't have to create a RAG based agent on the N8 and on the make.com. You can just use it exactly right at here. If we talk about cost, the app cost is only like about $7 a month, and there is no per execution charge. We are not charging per execution basis. This is only like $7 a month. And if we talk about this agent, this will charge you like per month on per execution basis. Every time it will be run, it will charge you basically, like you can see that. But this section will not charge you anything basically. So this is only like monthly price $7 a month, and you can create your own custom RAG agent inside your workflow builder, and you can automate your sport, and you can automate anything you want with the help of AI, and you can create as much agents as you want. And let me know if you have any query about it. Just DM me. I am available for that. Thank you.